I love it. I wish more stores had it. I feel so much safer when I come into the market with all these people, knowing that the things that I touch, like this, is sanitized.
It's a good option to sanitize in. Ain't got to be interactive with anyone. It's an easy go, push it through, and get your sanitization going on.
So you like being able to do it by yourself?
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh, it's easy to use. I use it constantly, every time I come shopping.
You use it every time you come shopping?
And I wish that other stores had it.
Typically use it not just for the handle but for the seat area, because parents always put infants and babies there with diapers on, and sometimes they're changed or not changed. And bacteria could form here, and I would sometimes put produce or bags of things here.
Makes sense.
And I want to make sure that it's cleaned off. So I don't just run it once, I'll run it twice.
Okay.
Once for the general part, and then open this up to get the seat part. And I think it's an excellent, excellent invention.
And that's super neat because I don't have to sanitize it inside now. It just, goes through. Every store should have this.
This is awesome, man. I told other people about this. I said, I told them that this is.
Yeah, you tell them to come to this store?
Yeah, because of the cart. And then I asked them, have you seen the cart cleaner? And they said, no. And I said, the only store I've seen it is that brown supermarket, this one. They said, yeah. Oh man, get them all over. That would be nice, man.
So we've had a lot of positive customer feedback, especially when they first come in the store. Customers use it, they come in. They a lot of times thank us how happy they are that we have a unit like this in the store. And it's nice, especially what's going on today, that they can get a cart sanitized right away as soon as they walk in the store.
At least 8 out of 10 of my customers utilize this station. The feedback is always positive in regards to the cart station. Our customers actually expect this to be on and be available when they come in the shop with us.